For decades, Mars seemed like a planet that had gone silent. Its volcanoes stopped erupting billions of years ago. Its rivers vanished. Its lakes disappeared. Its atmosphere grew thin. The magnetic field that once protected the planet faded into history. Today, Mars appears cold, dry, and lifeless. A world where the wind slowly reshapes ancient dust beneath a pale orange sky. Scientists believe they understood the broad outline of its story. A once active planet that gradually lost the conditions necessary to support surface water. Its global magnetic field disappeared. The solar wind stripped away much of its atmosphere. The rest became history written across billions of years of geological time. Then, NASA discovered something unexpected. Mars may have lost its global magnetic shield long ago, but the planet is far from magnetically dead. Instead, it produces mysterious magnetic pulses, invisible disturbances rippling through space around the red planet. Signals that appear suddenly, change rapidly, and challenge our understanding of how an apparently inactive world still interacts with the space environment around it. What exactly is causing these strange magnetic pulses? And what do they reveal about the hidden history of Mars? To answer those questions, we first need to understand what Mars no longer has. Unlike Earth, Mars does not possess a global magnetic field. Our planet behaves like a giant bar magnet. Deep beneath Earth's surface, molten iron circulates inside the outer core. Those moving electrically conducting fluids generate a powerful magnetic field through a process known as the geodynamo. That invisible shield extends far into space, deflecting much of the solar wind, protecting the atmosphere from direct erosion, helping make Earth's surface far more hospitable to life. Mars once had something similar. Billions of years ago, its molten interior likely powered its own planetary dynamo. Ancient volcanic rocks preserve evidence that a global magnetic field once surrounded the planet. But at some point, the dynamo shut down. Exactly why remains uncertain. Perhaps the planet cooled too quickly. Perhaps its core evolved differently from Earth's. Whatever the reason, the magnetic shield disappeared. Without that protection, charged particles streaming outward from the Sun gained far greater access to the Martian atmosphere. Over immense spans of time, the solar wind helped strip away much of the atmosphere that Mars once possessed. Is one reason scientists believe ancient Mars may have been much warmer and wetter than it is today. So where do the magnetic pulses come from? The answer begins beneath the surface. Although Mars no longer generates a global magnetic field, parts of its crust remain permanently magnetized. Imagine enormous rocks acting like frozen magnets. Billions of years ago, when the ancient dynamo still operated, minerals rich in iron cooled in the presence of the planetary magnetic field. Just as volcanic rocks on Earth can preserve ancient magnetic directions, Martian rocks locked in the magnetic signature of a world that no longer exists. Today, those crustal magnetic regions remain scattered across the planet. Some are surprisingly strong, especially in the southern highlands. Unlike Earth's smooth global magnetic shield, Mars possesses a patchwork, an irregular collection of localized magnetic fields emerging from the crust. Invisible islands of magnetism separated by regions with almost none. Then came one of NASA's most important Martian missions, Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, MAVEN. Launched in 2013, its primary goal was to investigate how Mars lost its atmosphere. Instead of simply photographing the surface, MAVEN studied the interaction between the upper atmosphere and the solar wind. What it found surprised researchers. As the solar wind flows around Mars, it interacts with those ancient crustal magnetic fields in extraordinarily complex ways. Magnetic field lines stretch, reconnect, twist, break apart, and reconnect again. These processes can generate bursts of magnetic activity. Rapid fluctuations, sometimes described as magnetic pulses or disturbances. In many ways, Mars behaves less like a magnetically inactive planet and more like a world whose remaining magnetic fragments continue interacting dynamically with space itself. One particularly fascinating process is known as magnetic reconnection. Imagine stretching two rubber bands until they suddenly snap into new configurations. Magnetic field lines can behave similarly. When differently oriented magnetic fields collide, they may suddenly rearrange themselves. Enormous amounts of energy can be released. Charged particles accelerate. Electromagnetic disturbances spread through surrounding space. Magnetic reconnection occurs throughout the solar system, near Earth, around Jupiter, inside the Sun's atmosphere. Now, scientists know it also happens around Mars. Even without a global magnetic field, these events help drive atmospheric escape. As energetic particles gain access to the upper atmosphere, atoms can receive enough energy to escape Mars' gravity entirely. Hydrogen drifts into space. Oxygen follows through various processes. Over billions of years, countless tiny losses accumulate into profound planetary change. A once thicker atmosphere gradually becomes the thin envelope surrounding Mars today. But the surprises continue. MAVEN has also detected invisible electric currents flowing through the Martian environment. The solar wind compresses magnetic fields. Ionized atmospheric particles respond. Complex electrical systems develop above the planet, instead of existing as a simple obstacle to the solar wind. Mars creates a constantly changing electromagnetic environment shaped by both ancient crustal magnetism and present-day solar activity. No 2 days around Mars are exactly alike. Solar storms arriving from the Sun can dramatically intensify these interactions. Powerful eruptions known as coronal mass ejections send enormous clouds of charged particles racing across the solar system. When one reaches Mars, the effects can be dramatic. Auroras appear. Atmospheric escape increases. Magnetic disturbances strengthen. Radiation levels rise. Unlike Earth, where auroras remain concentrated near the poles, Martian auroras can appear in unexpected locations because they follow the scattered magnetic fields preserved inside the crust. Some glow directly above ancient magnetized regions. Others spread across much of the night side during particularly intense solar storms. A planet without a global magnetic field, still producing auroras, still responding dynamically to the Sun, still surprising scientists decades after exploration began. Perhaps the greatest mystery is what these magnetic remnants reveal about Mars' earliest history. The strongest crustal magnetic regions preserve clues about the ancient dynamo. Their orientations, strengths, and locations help researchers reconstruct conditions billions of years ago. Each magnetic anomaly acts almost like a fossil, not of bones, but of an invisible force that once surrounded the entire planet. By mapping those ancient signatures, scientists hope to understand when the dynamo began, when it ended, and how rapidly Mars transformed from a warmer world into the cold desert we see today. Understanding that transformation has implications far beyond Mars itself. Thousands of rocky planets have now been discovered orbiting distant stars. Many may once have possessed magnetic fields. Some still do. Others may have lost them. Learning how magnetic protection influences atmospheric survival helps astronomers evaluate which worlds might remain habitable over geological timescales. Mars therefore becomes more than a neighboring planet. It becomes a laboratory, a natural experiment demonstrating what can happen when a rocky world loses one of its greatest defenses. And perhaps that is why NASA's discovery matters so much. The magnetic pulses themselves are not dangerous mysteries hiding beneath the Martian surface. They are evidence that Mars remains an active participant in the electromagnetic environment of the solar system. Its ancient crust continues interacting with the solar wind. Its atmosphere continues evolving. Its invisible magnetic scars continue telling the story of a planet that was once profoundly different. Perhaps the strangest realization is this. When people imagine a dead planet, they picture complete silence. Nothing happening, nothing changing. Mars reminds us that planetary evolution does not end simply because volcanoes stop erupting or rivers disappear. Invisible forces continue shaping the planet every second. Charged particles stream overhead. Magnetic fields twist through space. Atoms escape into the darkness. The story is still unfolding, not in dramatic explosions, but in subtle interactions taking place far above the dusty surface. A hidden world of magnetism, quietly pulsing around a planet that lost its heart billions of years ago, yet somehow never completely lost its connection to space.